Alright, hope everybody's doing alright. I wanted to do this review on my farm jack mount, specifically a Harbor Freight farm jack. And I mounted it with the high lift mount system on a Dodge Ram 3500. I didn't really see any videos about it on the internet or anything, so I decided to make one. I'll come over here and show you why probably we didn't see any videos online. If you look at the Ram's body here, it's got several dips that come in here, and this is really the only flat part right here and right here to mount things. So we'll go over to this side and we'll see how it's done. We've got little locks on there. As you can see, it's the Harbor Freight Pittsburgh. I've got a jack handle isolator there by Daystar. I've got a set of master locks on there to keep people from stealing it. Another little strap for the handle, so it's actually really tight. It doesn't make any noise. I've got a cover coming for it. And what I did was, it's a little uneven on this side, but it still worked. I used some drywall block lag bolts and I drilled through the vehicle and put all 8 screws, 4 and 4, and it's on there. I mean, you can see I'm moving the metal in the jack handle and it's not doing anything. So we'll go out and we'll look. And if you see right in there, I had to come through and drill one through, but you can't really see any of the other ones. It mounted really clean, out of the way. And the reason why I put it on the driver's side is because I made a swing box and I didn't want to lose accessory plug there for my trailer, and the swing box will go on this side, and then I'll have some fuel cans up front or whatever. But yeah, overall, extremely pleased with the jack. It lifts the truck up, everything. It's mounted securely. But if you want to mount it generally on a dually, you're gonna have to go right over that wheel well where those flat spots are. Other than that, it's gonna be very difficult to mount. And you don't want to go to the side of the truck for sure. So I found that this is the best spot to mount it, out of the way. And you can see you got all your space there. Doesn't really affect anything. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.